Hey buddy, it's me again. Let's make this the last video you watched for today, okay? Just kidding, watch as much as you want. As you noticed, I've changed our favorite friend's stance a bit. I think it looks much better, and I believe you'll agree with me when you finish this video. So, to keep you from getting bored or falling asleep at your keyboard in the next 5 minutes, or whatever you're watching this video on your smartphone, for example, or iPad or TV, I don't know. Doesn't matter anyway. Anyways, I want to tell you a funny story about how I found myself to draw back in the days. Yup, it was a different time. Electricity was around, but not many knew how to use it pretty right. Video games back then looked something like this. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. Well, that's all we had back then. And the idea of drawing digitally, like I'm doing on my graphic tablet in Photoshop right now, was beyond anyone's imaginations. In short, art didn't get much respect, right? So, during that challenging period when I was only 7 years old, I had already mastered the skill of creating amazing art like this one. I was so proud of my success, reaching Picasso level in a literal sense, but over the years of ruling in school, I mean during my time in the school desk, I learned to amaze others with my art. Then, I honed my skill as a university architecture student. Now I can draw realistic portraits, but I don't want to do that, because the desire to depict super realism doesn't quite suit me. It just fueled my perfectionism more and more and more. It's really dull, especially in a time when a person can fit more than 3 cameras in one pocket. Unlike in my Stone Age childhood. So I increasingly leaned toward cartoonish drawing, because it's not an exact copy of something existing. It's something more personal and creative. Like, a lot of fictional things are wonderful art. If you agree with me and like my story and how I draw, then give me a thumbs up, buddy. It doesn't bother me. On the contrary. By the way, share your creative story in the comments, because who knows, maybe I'll talk about your story in one of my upcoming videos, because it may be fascinating and I'd love to read it. Well, my friend, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already. Share this video with your friends. It's going to get even more exciting from here. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye, my friend.